Our second to last theme is integrate with existing competency efforts. What existing competency efforts exist in the organization that we can tap into so that we can embed change management skills in professional development in the organization? And I give you a hospital, our high-tech firm, and our web services firm. In the hospital and the web services firm, leading change or change leadership was identified as a crucial competency that people needed to build. It was the same in our security firm example. However, we hadn't equipped our people to build said competency. And I think this is happening in many organizations. We're identifying leading change as one of the crucial skill sets for many in the organization, but we're not equipping people to build it. And so that becomes a really nice anchor if we are positioning enterprise change management as a way to fill the gap we've already identified, that our people need to build individual competencies and skills. The high-tech firm took a little bit different approach. They built more of an episodic boot camp that happened at the start of every single project. They got the project team exposed to and focused on the people side of change for that initiative. And the bank one, which isn't on here, did a really neat thing. They had licensed the Prosci intellectual property and the adkar model into the bank, and then they wove adkar and the Clark role of people managers right into their newly promoted manager training program. So there was already a program that existed when somebody was promoted as a new manager, and now change management was right there in the existing curriculum. So let's have you reflect on this one. What are some of those existing competency efforts that you can anchor to in your organization? Do you have a new set of leadership competencies that were identified? Is there a new framework that was put in place? Have we introduced new professional development systems? Do we already have programs for newly promoted managers? What about onboarding programs? What are those existing competency development efforts in the organization already that you can tap into with leading change and your role in leading change as a new part of that curriculum? Neat thing, I see a good number of the identification of organizational values up there, which I think is really an interesting approach. As our organization have identified and articulated new values, and many of them very much align with the value set that sets behind change management. And so those new value pillars are absolutely a way for us to tie change management in the project ECM journey to. Change leadership, we got a lot of EMO, ECM, PMO, those different existing anchors for us to tie change management to.